Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll cover one more practical name, create a Node.js file that demonstrates create database and table in MySQL. So what is prerequisite for this? First you need to install MySQL for your Node.js. Install the WAMP or the XAMPP server for your Windows, or if you are using the Ubuntu, then install that particular packages. Okay, so here is a program. Variable MySQL require MySQL because here while creating the database we are using some functions from the MySQL package. So we need to first import that module MySQL in our program. Then after that, here we'll use the one syntax MySQL dot create connection. Okay, and in that we'll specify the host is localhost, then username and the password. Keep the password as a blank. If you have set the specific password, you can write inside this table code. I have kept it as blank, so write this username as directly root, password just blank. Don't do the space in between this. Just write in this way. Con.connect. Then here for the connection we are providing the one function. If there is an error, then display the error, throw the error, and if not, then console.log just display the message on the console connected. And here con.query, here con.query create database. Here we are writing the name of the database. So create database and your database name, which database you are going to create. Write this name, comma function, here error, comma result. If there is any error, then type the it will display the error. Here you will get the result also. So if the error, it will show the error. Then console.log, if successfully created the database, then display the message console.log database created. Okay, and close this callback function, so you will get your database. Our program needs to create a database and the create table in Node.js. So first create the database. We need to execute this program first, and then we'll create a table in Node.js. Same things, the same part here we are repeating. Here we require to import the MySQL module. Then after that variable con equals to MySQL dot create connection. Here we'll specify the what is your host, then username, then our password, and then also here write now the database, because we are using the database now MyDB. After that, see here close this function here, the set and function con.connect function error. If there is an error, then throw the error. If error, throw the error. Otherwise, see console.log display the message connected. And then after that variable SQL equals to create. See create table. We are using this command create table customers. We are using this table name customers, name varchar of 255, comma address varchar of this, then con.query SQL, comma function. Here see con.query, when you are firing the query, here tag this SQL here, means this create table command, then function error, comma result. If the error, display the error, and otherwise view the message console.log table created. Okay, if you are able to create the table, then you will get the message table created. So now how to execute this program on a console. So let's see how to execute this on your console. See here I have written the code for this program. See here I have written the program for first create the database. So how to create the database? First import this module, then create the connection. Here localhost, root, and this password keep as a blank. Then con.connect function error. Then if there is an error, it will throw the error. And then here the query is create database MyDB. MyDB is your database name. If there is an error, these two parameter is here. If there is an error, throw the error. Otherwise, display message console.log database created. So run this code. So I'm in now on the admin. So cd sy is my directory name. Inside that cd, I have created one more folder ch8 database. So go inside this folder first. Write your name database this file name clearly, so you can go inside this. So just again I am typing the name ch inside this sy. Here is the folder ch8 database. Just wait. So we need to go inside this folder first. So here it's showing the some error. Qualified something error is here. So again here we'll create the cd inside the C. Here only inside the sy only. This inside the sy there is a folder name ch8 database. So again we'll type the ch8 database. This is your file. So now see inside you are now inside this directory. See now execute this program. Program name is create one.js. So we'll try to execute node create one to create the database first. See when you are clicking here you will get this type of error. So what will be the error here? The error is something like this. It is throwing an error. Okay, this create.js and error. Why this type of error? Because when you are using this database related program, first you need to start your MySQL server. You need to start this all this. So just click on a start, open your XAMPP and you need to start all these services. Then only you are able to execute this program. Just again here click on a start, minimize it, and after that here run your code. Again run the code node create one. Just press the enter. So this see here is a MyDB database already exists. Can't create the database. See here is now there is no error, but it's showing that can't create database. MyDB database exists. So we'll create here my database 2. Okay. Save this file. See, it is not saved it. So just press the Ctrl X to save this file. Again run this code node create one. Okay, so you will get the message here connected database created. This connected database created. So these are the some errors possibilities. So that's why I have shown you first without making the changes. So if you are running the same queries, same program again, then you can face this type of error. So you need to change it. Now after that, the next is how to next program is how to create a table. So we learn how to create the table inside this. So this first create connection, localhost, user is root, password is a blank. Database is now MyDB22. You can take the database directly this or you can take your database MyDB22. Okay, as per your requirement you can tag this. Okay. So con.connect function error, here is the error, then display the error. Then after that console.log connected, variable here variable SQL equals to create table customers. Okay, then name and the address is here. And then fire the query. Here SQL, this query will be considered as a parameter here. Then function this attribute with the two parameter error and the result. And close here the callback function. Here throw the error if there is an error. Otherwise table created. Give the message table created. So let's execute this program first. Here the program name is create table 1. Okay. Your program name is create table 1. So what is our answer? See again here there is some problem. So this customers table is already created. So we'll create the customer 3 table. Okay. Then again save this code because it is not saved. Just click Control C, Control S. Again execute this program. See, here you will get the output node create table. When you are executing this code, you will get connected table created. Okay, here connected table created. But for this, first you need to start MySQL server. Okay, you need to install MySQL for your database, for your Node.js. If you are using the Windows, you need to install the XAMPP for the web server, install it, and you need to start it every time when you are doing this database related programs. Thank you. So in this way we completed our next assignment, that is create the database and create the table by using the Node.js and MySQL. Thank you.